Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to add a GIF to your Google Slides presentation, the full 2025 guide. Whether you're creating a school project, a business pitch, or just want to spice up your slides, animated GIFs can grab attention and keep your audience engaged. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at adding eye-catching GIFs directly inside Google Slides. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, whichever you like, and head to Google Slides. Sign in with the Google account that's linked to the presentation you're working on. If you're starting fresh, click Blank Presentation to create a new one. If you already have a file ready, just open it from your list of recent presentations. Inside Google Slides, pick the presentation where you want the GIF to appear. Make sure you're on the exact slide where you'd like to add the animation. This saves time and keeps everything organized. Now comes the fun part. Go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Image. In 2025, Google Slides makes this super easy. Select GIFs and stickers from the next menu. This built-in option means you don't have to download anything or leave the app. A search window will appear right inside Google Slides. Type in a keyword related to the vibe you want. Something like teamwork, GIF, fun celebration, or animated arrow. Scroll through the results until you find one that fits your slide's theme. Once you spot the perfect GIF, click it and hit Insert. Your GIF will pop onto the slide immediately. Click and drag the corners of the GIF to resize it while keeping its proportions. To move it, just click and drag the entire image until it's exactly where you want it. Top corner, center stage, wherever it looks best. Google Slides automatically saves changes, but it's always good to double check. Make sure the small All Changes Saved in Drive note appears at the top. That way, your animated masterpiece is secure and ready to present. And that's it. You've just added a moving, attention-grabbing GIF to your Google Slides presentation in a matter of minutes. Animated slides can take your project from boring to brilliant. And now you know exactly how to do it in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and share it with a friend who loves creative presentations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.